Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can add icons on your code. All you have to do is just go to Google Chrome and search for Font Awesome. Now you have to click on Start for free. Now you have to click on Send Git Code. Now what you have to do is just go to your Gmail and confirm your email address. Now you have to copy this Git code and you have to go and paste it in your compiler. Now what you have to do is just click on icons and select one of these three. Now as you can see, there are a large number of icons where you can select from. I'm going to select this one and I have to copy its code. And now if I go back to my compiler and I have to paste it in and run it, you can see it will display me a small cross as well. Now I'm going to do it again for you. I'm going to select this one, copy its code, go to my compiler and paste it in just like this, and now if I run it, you can see it will display me that sign as well. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.